This is Al Walmer. This segment is constructing an angle congruent to another angle. To construct an angle congruent to another angle, we use a compass and straight edge only. Use your straight edge to draw a straight line at least as long as the sides of the angle you are duplicating. Set aside your straight edge and place the spike of the compass on the vertex of the angle you are duplicating. Open the compass at least halfway. Then swing an arc cutting both sides of the angle. Without changing the radius of the compass, place the spike of the compass on the end of the line you drew before. Then swing an arc at least as big as the one you just drew, making sure it intersects the straight line you drew before, right there. Now go back to the original angle and place the spike of the compass on the point of intersection of the arc and the lower side of the angle. Now adjust the radius of your compass so that the pencil is on the point of intersection of the arc and the upper side of the angle, and swing a short arc just to make sure. Then, without changing the radius of the compass, place the spike of the compass on the point of intersection of the arc and the straight line. Now swing an arc to intersect the first arc. Now set aside your compass and align your straight edge so that it goes through the end of the line and the point of intersection of the arcs. Now draw a line through those 2 points. You have now drawn an angle congruent to the first angle. But can you prove it? To do that, let's label some points. Here I've labeled the points on the original angle ABC as shown, and on the angle that I've constructed A prime, B prime, C prime. We're going to focus on triangle ABC and triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. We can tell that AB is congruent to A prime, B prime, and AC is congruent to A prime, C prime, because they were both drawn with the compass using the same radius. We can also tell that BC is congruent to B prime, C prime, because they were both drawn with the compass using the same radius. And therefore we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime because of SSS, side-side-side theorem of congruity. And therefore we can also say that angle BAC is congruent to angle B prime, A prime, C prime because of CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. QED. This is Al Walmer, and I'll see you next time.